In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a collaborator request code in Shopify. Whether you're working with a developer, hiring a virtual assistant, or collaborating with an agency to improve your store, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can grant access securely and with full control. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and head to the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This section is where Shopify keeps all the important controls for managing your store, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Next, in the Settings area, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Users. This section allows you to manage who can access your Shopify store and what level of permissions they have. It's especially important if you're working with multiple people because it helps you stay organized and keep your store secure at all times. After that, from the available options, click on Security. You'll see several settings here that are designed to protect your store's data, transactions, and admin access. This is where Shopify lets you control how collaborators request access, so follow along closely to avoid missing anything important. Now, look for the option labeled Require Collaborator Request Code. Note this carefully. Once you enable this option, Shopify will automatically generate a unique collaborator request code for your store. This is the exact code you'll share with the people you want to collaborate with. When they use this code, they'll be able to request access properly and you'll stay in full control of who gets in. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in as the store owner or an admin, only share the collaborator request code with trusted individuals, and double-check your security settings before approving any requests. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary unauthorized access. Once you've generated the code, simply copy it and send it to your collaborator. After that, you'll be able to review their access request inside Shopify and approve only the permissions they actually need without giving away full control. It's also a good idea to review your user access list regularly and remove collaborators who no longer need access. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your store safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share a collaborator request code in Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be setting up their store too. Why not make someone's day easier?